it's Timah, and welcome back to Cooking for Health with Timah's YouTube channel. And today I have a really special giveaway for you. It's going to be my pre-existing cookbook as well as my new cookbook that I have coming out and my Kelfish rooms. But enough of that until the end of the video. And so right now, let's get into how to make these breakfast or dessert pancakes. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is get our flour together. So I have 2 cups of flour. 1 cup is going to be Kamut flour, and I grind my own Kamut berries into a powder. And then the second one is going to be some of the some banana powder. And if you want to know how to turn your fruits and your vegetables into a powder, you need to check out Sauce Robert. He is so cool, and so that's how I learned. And I told him that I was going to give him the shout out because it was seen, through his video was how I actually learned how to do this. So Sauce Robert, give you a thumbs up, y'all. Go and check him out. Now, so I have my Kamut flour, and then I have my banana flour. And I'm going to sift my Kamut flour just in case some of the grains weren't completely grind down. Alright, so I have all of my flour sifted down. So we're going to need some nut milk, and it's going to, for what I'm going to be using is going to be some hemp milk, but you use your favorite hemp milk. So I just have to make this. There we go. And inside of the hemp milk, I'm going to put my cinnamon, and in goes my vanilla flavor. Just want to get all the liquid off. So that's why I'm beating it, to get all the liquid off. And into my flour, I'm going to put some baking soda. And then I have some date sugar. This is going to be a real simple recipe, guys. And so now I'm just going to get my hemp milk. Oh, and I also put, I have some sea salt inside of here as well. So I'm going to get this blended down. This little thing is really powerful. So get that all blended. Now that's blended all up. And so what I'm gonna, let's get the top off of here. So what I'm gonna do now with this, let me wipe my hands off. Alright, so now that that's blended up, what I'm gonna add is about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of oil. That's good enough. And then I have all my little key limes here that's all juiced down. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the lime juice. And we're going to get this blended in a little bit more. Let's just put it back on there for a few minutes. Now that we have that blended down, let me get that over to the side. Here we go. So now I'm just going to mix in all of my flour, all my dry mix, just going to mix it in. And then I'm going to pour in my nut milk. And this is the consistency that you're looking for. This is going to be real easy, guys. Real easy. So now we're going to go and get this on the skillet. So you'll need a lightly oiled skillet. Let's get that all warmed up. So we're just gonna take our batter and pour it right into the skillet. And you can usually tell when your pancakes are done. You'll see the bubbles that are forming on the top. Now when I start seeing that, I know I want to leave mine on just a few more seconds, give it maybe about 30 more seconds or so, because I like to get like that dark crisp edge around my pancakes. I call it Cajun style. Y'all might call it burnt, but I call it Cajun style. So you see just how easy that was to make. And so just gonna put maybe about one more on the plate. And then just gonna, these are just some of my fruit. These actually came out of the freezer. So I'm just gonna top them off on here. I have a little agave. I'm just gonna pour a little agave on the top. Then I'm going to put a bit more of my fruit. Just put some on the top here. Put it all around. Now here's a really nice dairy-free breakfast for you. So I'm also going to add a nice mock cutlet to this. So there's my nice mock chicken cutlet. And if you want to have that recipe for the chicken cutlet, stay tuned for next week's video. Now, as I had mentioned, I'm going to have that little giveaway. So, the way to enter to get the giveaway, you have to subscribe to my channel, share and like the video, and also make comments. And I'm going to choose 2 random winners out of the bunch, and they'll win all the prizes. Now I'm about to tear into this.
And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking here where it says subscribe. And then right next to it, you want to click the little bell, because that gives you the notifications for whenever I'm going to have an awesome new video. You're going to put the check inside of the box for send me all notifications for this channel. And then you go ahead and click on the save, so you save those notifications. And after all that, make sure that you don't leave the video without giving it a thumbs up. So click I like this, give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you leave me a positive, constructive criticism in the comment section. And I want to say thank you all for watching my videos and supporting me. I do appreciate it. Thank you.